What's up, guys? So that's the same breakfast I use 3 days out of the week. I get good fiber. I get, a good amount of micronutrients from it. It hits my macros pretty good. And it's the same thing I've been using for my busy schedule. I have one full-time job. I coach part-time, and then I own my own business on the side, which is its own slew of things. And this is the same recipe that I used when I was a swimmer in college, when I was a GA in college, and working multiple jobs. So helps me hit my macros, helps me perform on my nutrition side, to kind of help coincide with the training side as well. So I hope it helps. I'll post macros down below, but if you have any questions, let me know.